It's the fact that your feet are out. I'm not gonna show the Thrive guy your feet and your toes.
Crazy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm hiding my face because people are staring at me, but that's okay. We are back at Bayside Marketplace. I'm trying out a new eventful boat ride that they have. It's called the Island Queen. Y'all see the views. So this is the boat that we are boarding. It's called Island Queen, also known as Millionaires Row. This is my second time on the boat and her first time because it's her birthday tomorrow. Originally, we were supposed to go on a yacht, but the charter told us they canceled it because of a fixture, which is crazy to me. Like, that's crazy. But it's okay. We had a backup plan. Bayside Marketplace is always a backup plan, especially if you want to do a boat vibe. Even though it's not a private boat, it's still going to be an interesting ride. Wave to the Thrive guy. So when you first enter, there's a photographer right here just taking photos of people before you enter, and I know at the end you can purchase those pictures. So we are entering, y'all. Wave. Yes. So this is the inside. They have these menus with advertisement on there, and then they have television. And then last time I stood over here, and then this is the back of the boat. Last time I went on here, I stood here by myself because people are dirty. Coronavirus is very much still out here. This is our view from the side of the boat. Vibes. We're gonna see what seats they have. Let me see. Oh, it's a lot of people out here. But that's the bar. Okay. This is the bar. Oh, child. Okay, guys, it's way too packed upstairs, so we're just going to stay down here. But before I show y'all the ride, look at the slight drip. Look at the slight. Oh, what is that? The slight drip. It's giving summer at home. So for now, we're gonna sit down here to enjoy the vibe. It's the fact that your feet are out. I'm not gonna show the Thrive guy your feet and your toes. I like this aesthetic right here of the TV. They never used to have this, so this is pretty new. We about to start on the engine, period. We're on the boat, we're taking off. It was supposed to be something like that. Original boat was supposed to be like this, but it's okay. We're gonna see the views, the vibes of Miami. Are y'all ready? I'm ready. Oh, and by the way, the price of the ticket was $28 per person, but you can get it on Groupon. Get it on Groupon for like $18, something like that. But yes, this is very affordable, so come with your family and your friends. Uh-oh, we about to take off. So they said we could go to the front. So we're gonna go to the front of the boat. Lego. I need hand sanitizer. Oh, yes. I cannot. Sis is lit and turned. Okay. So as y'all can hear, there is a tour guide. She's gonna show us all the big mansions and everything. And she also speaks in Spanish for those of you guys who do not speak English. And yeah, it's the sun for me. Ooh.
We're just leaving here, Bayside Marketplace. Bayside will be bringing 7 other roof preparation and a
It's the vibes for me. We doing the most. This is so peaceful, y'all. Like, I love it here. It's so peaceful. I really love it here.
You could stand here in the front, on the windows up front by the bar. You could go downstairs to the back, or you could go outside to the front of the bar, which is open for pictures. Por su seguridad, nos preparen en el área.
Say what's up. Say what's up. We are in Miami. How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel?
It's awesome out here.
Say that. They can't hear you.
It's awesome.
I'm weak.
South Beach.
Yes, we in South Beach.
South Beach Paradise.
All right, guys. Coming up here on the right, on el lado izquierdo son los museos, edificio blanco con luces azules.
I had to take my mask off because I cannot breathe. But this is a vibe, okay? And that's the bridge to Miami Beach right here. This is a man-made island right here. Huh? You said big money? Yeah, these apartments, well, some of them, honestly, you'll be surprised. South Beach apartments are really not that expensive. You'll be surprised. I have seen South Beach apartments for like $1,500. But it depends where. Like, if it's a really old building, like those are older buildings, they might be a bit cheaper. This is a nice little house. We haven't even gotten to the real houses yet. They haven't even shown us Rihanna's house.
There's a construction going on out here. You see that they're digging holes?
Oh yeah, they're doing construction back there.
Nice little, they're building a little tent here. $900 a night.
$900 a night? I'm gonna have to do it for my birthday.
We're gonna take a look at a first home of interest.
Oh, I like this little White House right here. It's a vibe. Because some of the houses are a little too close to each other. Oh yeah, this is Jackie Chan's house. Yeah. I see somebody in the back. Oh, that's my dream house right there. That's my dream house. I need me a nice glass house. Soundproof. Everything proof. You can't even, I want it to be where people can't see you, but I can see them.
Home of Mexican singer known as the Golden Girl, Paulina Rubio.
Paulina Rubio's house. Oh my God, look at this. This is cute. So they gave us these cool papers to apply to win a free vacation. So we about to see.
Of the rapper, record producer, le pertenecen a rapero y productor Sean John Puffy Combs, better known as, mejor conocido como Puff Daddy, P. Diddy, Diddy Dirty Money, Diddy Love, whatever you want to call him. 180XXXXXX boyfriends of Jennifer Lopez. Uno de los
He's a rapper.
ex-novios de J.
This is like my style right here. This is my style. Now that is a nice yacht right there. That is new. Yeah. So we are gonna go back inside because the mansion tour is slowing down. Oh. It's officially over. What are your reviews? Your reviews? What do you guys have to say? Anything? Any last words?
It was nice to see some stuff.
It was a wonderful moment that we enjoyed.
Okay.
And I hope that she also enjoyed as much as I did.
Okay. It's time to go, y'all. It's time to go. We out here. So now we're gonna walk around just a little bit to see the vibes. But we didn't like our picture, y'all. The picture was not popping. But it's because $31. It's because they rushed us to take it. It smelled like weed, but they rushed us to take the photo. So, no ma'am, no thank you. But other than that, the actual ride was a vibe. It was a vibe. Y'all know that's my favorite word, a vibe. It was dope. I'm used to yachts, yes, but for the price, you get a lot of time on the boat to view, you get to drink, and you get an opportunity to win a free vacation. Well, all-inclusive resorts.